Hey guys, my name's John Erickson.
Shall we celebrate?
You're always more beautiful than I remember.
I love you, Blake.
Jesus. Carla, I thought we weren't going to do that shit.
What? Say I love you to my fiance?
Say I love you to your citizenship sponsor.
That would be great for the campaign, wouldn't it? Admitting to everyone your Latina wife is just for show.
What's good for the campaign is doing your job.
Doing my job? Latino Texans are my first priority? Didn't you write that shit, Blake?
Hey, you know I need you.
Yeah, no fucking kidding. You know, it was my mistake for thinking this was more than a business deal for you, Mr. Phillips.